Hello there and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about how you can work with medias in bootstrap-vue, and the media is not like YouTube videos and it's not like other MP4 videos. Media is the way you display content, and I don't know why it's called the media, but some kind of reasons it's called that, and that's what I want to learn you about. It's a way you can show, if you have a comments on your blog, you can use it on that, and if you have some like a news feed, you can use it to that. So I really don't know why it's not called a feed tag. But anyway, I will show you how that's working and how it's can be worked with. And before we continue, I really hope you want to subscribe to this channel. You can go in the right corner below and just press on the thing below. And if you want the code, you can go in for my GitHub profile, scroll down in the description, and then you have the link. It's completely free. So let's go ahead and start code some kind of bootstrap-vue. We will starting to creating the first one. This will be a very simple one, and we want to set the template here, and the v slot should be a side. Oops, a side. And inside this, I want the image tag. It's b image and should be blank, and blank color should be CCCC. And I only want a width with the 46, and the else be my placeholder, and that's it. Down below we want a h2 tag, and we call it media body, and then we want some text here, and that's a very simple one, and I'll show how that's look like. And that's how the media, it's basically working if you only have as a single one. And but of course you can change this a little bit, and you can design it more pretty and something like that. The next step I will show you, it's how it's look like if you have a media inside a media, like a comment, like if you have comments on the website and another one want to reply this comments, and like we have in Facebook. So that's what I want to show you now. So let's going back for the editor and do this. Going below the media here and create the new stuff, and media, and we say no body because we don't need any body inside. And then we make a b media a side. That's the first one, and then we just copy this image tag, and I want the height on it should be 128, and then we're going down below here and say a b media body. Inside this body we can say class margin left should be 3, and h5 tag, sorry, I'm pretty bad to spelling right now. And then we say the media title, and inside that we need a p tag and say content here, and happy smiley. And what we can do inside is just copy this one here, and call it a b media, and we call it sub media title, and just say small, just for fun. And the image inside should not be so big, so let's just call it and just do this for the color. So now you can see we have the media title, we have content here, and we have the sub media title, and then we have the small content here. So that's how we're working with the media inside a media, and then you can just pull one more inside if you want. But remember, if you have too many, it could be very complex to read if you think about the comments. So I think the way Facebook do it it's pretty nice. We only have one level deep, so it's never going like you're going back in the 90, where it's just very huge comments in the, depends on how many people it's replied inside. So yeah, I recommend you to do this way, and it's working pretty good. So let's go back for the editor and going for the next step in this video. The last step about the media, I think that's will be nice to have something like the milestones overview, where you can group some forms of HTML group and then just list it. So let's do this. I will just use the li, and the class should be list unstyled, and then we need to be media, and the tag should be li. So you basically can change the media if you want, and that's what we want in this case. V-slot should be a side, and we can just go upside here and take an image we want. ABC, whoops. And then we can go below here and say h5, and we need some classes inside here and say mt0 and mb1 and say list-based media object, and we only have the p tag here and say area1 class mb0, and I just need a little bit more here to see. Yeah, we can just copy this, and this class should be 4, and I need another split here, and number 3 and number 2, and I think that's it. And now you're ready to go back to the browser and see the result. And yes, you can see we have the like a timeline. We have the list-based media object here, and in the area 1, 2, and 3, and different images tags you can see. And that's how you can work with the media. I think it's very simple, but you need to know how to stack the elements so you don't do it wrong. But else the media is just right up front, and just go ahead and use it if you want. Thank you so much to have you here today, and I really appreciate you to watch this for the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can do it in the button in the right corner, and all the code will be free to get on my GitHub profile. You can find the link in the description below the video, and I really hope you want to like and share this video too. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.